This new training facility that we have here, everything you see in here is done by the people here in Clay County. Everything from the cutting of the lumber to the machining of the lumber, drying, installing electrical, lights and all, we've done it right here in our own facility. We designed this entire facility on a Saturday morning in our engineering department from just the structure of the building, and we've been adding a lot of things ever since.
When they told me that I was coming down here to dedicate a training center, I had a vision of this generic, monolithic type concrete building. Pull up down here and I thought I was going to see horses coming out. This is the success story that all of America is all about. This is about a family who believes in God, who believes in each other, who believes in a community, and who believes that you can accomplish anything if you put a good team together.
The Big Red Barn, as many people call it, was built for multiple reasons.
We kind of laughed because it actually started off, it was going to be an equipment storage. My father, we've got a lot of land, and he said he needed a barn to store tractors and machinery. And like some projects around here do sometimes, they kind of start growing.
We started construction on the facility, thinking it was just going to be basically a one floor operation.
I remember being involved with that conversation and coming over here, and with actually Dad, he said, "Hey, come over, let's take a look at the top level of the barn." And so we climbed up on a ladder at that time because there was no stairs and it was still a framed up structure. And we walked around on the plywood and said, "Hey, what about this being training?" And we were like, "Yeah, that would be great."
The barn itself originally was built as a co-op for high school kids to learn carpentry, but it's morphed into this phenomenal training facility. The whole upstairs is just designed around product and training. And then downstairs, you've got all of our KBIS displays from the last 8 to 10 years. They're amazing, they're beautiful. What a great opportunity to take our customers down there and just show them how trends have changed. And the customers really love to go through them, and it's a great training opportunity for all things that we learn here in class. What's this modification? How did I get there? How did I build this and what did I use?
Our dealers in the local area are able to use this as a showroom as well and bring their clients on location to see a tremendous amount of styles and colors and finishes.